Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? This is a late hour broadcast. Not all that late, but we are too busy. Today happened to be a very busy day for me, so I did not do much today. But we are here to spend time together. How are we all doing? What is going on? Please join me this hour and like the video. We are going to go through some of the things that we couldn't touch today. So we saw what happened. COS account was suspended, and some people threw a party on that. People were rejoicing, celebrating, jubilating about it. And I have something to say on that issue because I saw comment. I told us yesterday that once the account is being restored or ECS have a new account, I will also use my platform to announce to you the new account. And the new account is this. Let me look for that profile so that I will share it immediately. As we proceed on this live stream, I will keep on sharing it. So for you, some of us that are on X, you need to go and follow CS there. And the intention is to silence her. Or if you're not useful or you are not doing something good, people will not bother about you. Okay? People will not bother about you at all. And everything we know about DOS is repeating itself under Ogenkere. Some of you say, oh, just go ahead, move forward. Don't tell us way forward. Why are you repeating the issue? Why are you bringing this, making them relevant and all that? Some of you saying that you don't even follow what is going on social media. Maybe you are too busy with your work, and anytime you have free time, you just click on your profile, your preferred channels or platform that you would love to listen to. And that is where your idea and where you gather your news from. Sometimes you need to know what is going on in other camp. Why? For you to know where they're heading to and what they want to achieve. So now I have two assignments. One is to keep on dishing live through write-up and constant streaming on X. Why? What do you think you want to achieve by that? See, I told us this is the template of DOS. They are repeating it again. And everything that other people are doing is what they know how to copy. They don't have their own initiative, their own idea to bring it to Biafra, to tell you this is what they're doing, follow us, and look, this is our target. That is why if they see anybody doing anything, they will rush there to copy it, bring it on their own platform. Is either they use that against you or they use that to promote themselves. That's their job. No headway, no plan, no strategy, no tactics. Copy. That is the typical DOS. People who don't know how to initiate their own idea, don't have their own template, but to copy somebody's work, claim that this belongs to them, forge ahead with it and run with it. When COS hit number of followers on X, it became an issue. Some of them claim that it is Nigerians. The Nigerian government must have told Nigeria to go and follow her so that it look like she matters a lot. And since their ATM opened the platform on X, they are having fever. They are very, very, very eager to gather momentum, to followership to the person. Because they understand that once COS have enough followers from Biafra following her, that international committee or anybody that wants to know what is going on, somebody who don't know anything about what is going on and what Biafra represents, the way forward. And all of a sudden you want to pay attention to know what are they talking about. This Biafra, what are they talking about? Let me know. As you are searching or trying to know, you must come across COS platform on X, isn't it? And that will signal to people that, okay, it seems like people are following her. Maybe she's the leader. And the other ones are just, a kind of copycat, which they are. These criminals understand it very well. They are not comfortable when they see that Biafrans are following COS. and her word stand. And they want to prove to everybody that she's not the real person. What do? They spend a lot to make sure they bring that account down. I'm not supposed to be talking about the suspension and the what happened to CS account here, but what I'm trying to tell you, for you, some of us who don't understand this politics, begin to pay attention to this. Man, those things that you think they don't matter, already matter. Okay? Having said that, COS new X account is, I believe that she's the one, because once you see Deputy Prime Minister, she's one, and Biafrans are following her like people that you know. Let's go to the account. I'm gonna flip the camera so that you will know the account and the people that are following her. Okay, let me go to the real account. It's open now. With, I have it here. Please like this video so that others will gonna join us. They are just starting. This is just 6 minutes in the broadcast, so I expect you to do the needful. Now, in the space of few hours, this account that is still not well organized, because there's no banner, not even a picture, profile picture, but 1,540 people are following her instanta without much announcement. This is just that Biafrans are eager to know where is she, what is going on. Now, here is the account. Okay, as you can see here, Deputy Prime Minister, only 7 posts, but we can see now she have already, look at when she opened it, joined February, look at it, join February, where is it? Join February 2025, as you can see here, which is this month. Of course, it should be, because the date is not specified here, meaning that it's just this month. Look at the followers here, people that are following her is this. 1,540 as we speak. And I believe that you that are watching, that are going to watch the program later, or you are watching it at the moment, go and follow her on X. Reason is because her tweet speak volume to the world. You may not understand it, just do it. I'm being honest. Now, let's see people, for some of people say, oh, this look like a fake account. Yes, I don't know why she decided to, allow it this way. I believe that she's gonna still work on that. So Biafran, like I said, that understand what it means, that her account, what it means, because that account speak in your favor, that account speak for your own good, that account speak for your freedom, and that account speak volume. For you to promote that account, for people to understand that it is not a joke, you need to follow that and promote the account. Now, here is the people that are following her as we speak. Okay, you may see your favorite broadcaster here, which is good. So, like you see, Good TV already is following her immediately, and Linda Chineye. All this, I just want to see the popular one, Princess. Who again? You can see Tochi is here. We know you guys know Tochi. If you are active on X, you know Tochi. You may not know her by name, but at least you know who she is. So all the profile is not coming up. All of them are still, it's quite slow, but you get the point. Arinze, I think Arinze is also following her. Let me go back. Okay, this one is following you. Look at it. Okay, Arinze is here, and this is our brother Exodus. This is Exodus account. This is Go 247. Chidinma, Good TV, like I said, and who again? You see, Exodus is here, Exodus TV, Nikki is here, Tochi is here. So, like I said, please go and follow her. It is very, very, very important. This is her new account, Deputy Prime Minister, or you may type at Winston 111. That is, if you go there on S, that is her account. Now, let's go to story of the day. Some of you may say, what happened to account? Maybe you are worried or you want to know what happened to account. I don't have a specific reason But the truth of the matter is that people who rejoiced about it and who brag that they have to chase her away on social media, they have proved to us that they are the one behind the problem that I can't have. The issue of the account is, it happened to PM, but not on X. But these people understand the importance of this COS account, and they have done everything to bring it down. It is now your duty to raise it again. Bringing it up again is the only option. I don't know how they did it. I don't know whether they because some of them, what they do is they form a group, like WhatsApp group, and call people to go. They will gather Biafra. If you love APM, follow this WhatsApp account, that kind of thing. Once they follow, they will bring the account and say, okay, go and report, like what US used to do. Are you getting the point? And that is very, very bad. Now, if you actually want freedom and you know that you want progress of our people and what is going on, you need to be careful of this kind of people. We have seen this before. So I don't know why it's difficult for you to capture the information. I don't know why it is difficult for some of us to reason in that direction. Anybody that eager to do and undo for that person to be relevant or to lead you or to convince you that they matter, you should be very, very careful of them. For them that have chosen to behave like the way they are behaving now, one thing I have to tell them is to go and check what happened to the US. Go and check the effort. It is a very difficult task. What you have just embarked on is one of the most difficult jobs to do. To find the truth is one of the most difficult work that anybody that have clear eyes with your sense, your brain is functioning, you will not love to do that kind of thing, because people that have done in the past, the way they ended is not something that you'll be pleased with. It's not something that you'll be proud of. It will always backfire. You will walk yourself off and ended up providing nothing to prove anything. I mean, look at Sona Barawat today. He's constantly spacing, always on space. Why? Because once you lie one lie, you need to manufacture 10 lies to cover one. And for you to maintain that 10 lie, you need more 25. For you to bring that 25, you need to commit more crime to sustain the lies and your, criminal activities to cover it. It's not easy. It's a work that every sensible human being will not like to venture into. But they choose to do that because that's how they're wired. Now, the topic of Sona Akbarawa, as you speak, he's on S with 1,000 plus watching live. Why? No other person is spacing at this moment from USB government. I'm not saying you should not do another thing because you want to counter what they're doing. No. Reasonable people will follow reasonable program. People who love to swim in gossiping and falsehood will be jumping from platform to platform, hoping to hear what they want, not to listen to reality and the truth. One thing about our people, that's what I can assure all of us, Biafrans are not Momo. Even if you seem to deceive them now, just give it time. That was deception will fade away. It will collapse, whether you like it or not. The title you have here is Caterpillar, USB Nigeria. How many Adadorama family? Let me open it so that I will tell you everything they're saying here. Maybe you may hear what they're saying. Maybe let me see if I can. This is a live program going on as we speak, as I'm broadcasting now on S. I'm not here to analyze it. I just want you to understand how people, matured men with the gray hair, will gather together. The only thing they can do to them to give you Biafra, to cater for you or to show you their care is only one thing. The topic is those that are actually doing the needful people, something that matters for people, something that will give you that freedom, something that will give you recognition to prove to Biafrans that they are important. You see an old woman, old men gather together to yap nonsense against their fellow brother. Not only they're talking, they also can cut. You know what I mean by cutting? They also can go at that extreme of committing one or two crime just to prove a point. And how can you fold your hand and let that happen? The topic, like I said, is what they have here is what? Let me expand it more. Just a moment. Okay, the first one here is Caterpillar. Why do you think they want to talk about Caterpillar? Because once Biafrans see that, oh, Caterpillar, they want to hear what Caterpillar said. They did not tell you that before the issue of Caterpillar being defense secretary, contracting Caterpillar to do one or two things that Adadorama couldn't hold herself about it, Nkere and Paparawa was busy trying to communicate with the Caterpillar. That information can never be seen on social media. They don't want to talk about it because it's against them. Remember, immediately after the convention, they started attacking CS, right? What did they do next? They metaphors from that to bring Gaddafi. When they brought Gaddafi, Biafrans reacted on that, and the reaction did not go down well with them. They slapped back. This will tell you they have. If some of you are blaming US or blaming defense secretary and all that, fine. But remember the people that have made move to bring people that have questionable character or have committed one or two things that you don't want to see again around the movement. They are the one. They did it, and in that platform, the guy they brought was mocking them. Gaddafi, Papa Ejima, and Caterpillar, all of them, some of us condemn and you don't want to see them. You need to be careful with them, right? Those guys have been in contact with them. They want to bring them in their camp and all that. They couldn't succeed in bringing Caterpillar. Why? Because Biafra government in exile, with the experience of the defense secretary and Biafran government cabinet members, they understand if they bring Caterpillar to them, what that may result. But some of us who want to condemn that publicly without telling Biafran the things that transpired, the things that lead to that, they kept quiet. Not that they don't have the access, but for one reason or another, they just want to use that to cook up a story that when they listen to that, you say, okay, what they did, I'm not in support of it, and I can't accept this. They are doing that, they are saying that simply because they want you to feel so bad that, oh, COS and defense secretary have betrayed me. Why would they go to the extent of bringing this guy back? This guy have done this and done that, blah, 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 blah. Those things are the things they want to plant in your mind so that you say, okay, wow, I'm not going to support. I don't want to analyze anybody about this issue. Not that we don't know what to say about it, but for peace to reign. And I want government to be the one ahead to reconcile, to forgive, or to refuse, or to maintain their ground, never again to allow anybody to do that kind of thing. I'm not here to advise government on that. What I'm trying to tell you is that whenever somebody bring emotional blackmail, don't feel triggered. Don't allow them to trigger your emotion with falsehood. Like what I'm saying is because of the title here, you see Caterpillar, USB Nigeria. Now, speaking of USB Nigeria, we used to hear that Simon Ekpa is a Nigerian agent, autopilot, auto infiltrators, criminals, they are kidnappers, they are this, they are in fact every crime in Eastern region, old Eastern region, not only Biafra land, is being perpetrated by that's what they're preaching. That was what they want the whole world to know. That anybody supporting PM is a criminal. In fact, they not only say that, they send a lot of people to judgment simply because what you said is in favor of PM. Therefore, you are not supposed to exist. It got to that level that whenever they see that you are less to PM, you are condemned. I still know some of them in their own platform that publicly said that anybody supporting Ekpenima should be sent to Chukwuokike Abbiama. Biafra Child said that on his own platform, live. I'm not telling you that somebody said, I watched it. Personally, I watched it. He said it. The one called Citizen Observer, Emeka Give. These are individuals that choose to sell lies just to prove a point. Now, what do you think that Ogenkere and their group want to achieve by calling USB Nigeria? After declaring Biafra together, they are part of it. They were there. They signed. Not that somebody wake up and tap them and say, stand up, let's go out. And when they came out and they say, hey guys, today we are going to declare Biafra. We are no more brig. Today we are United States of Biafra. Hey, they clap. Nobody take them by surprise. This is something well planned from January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. They were in Finland. All these months, all of them were aware. How they planned it, the organization, the formation, the plan, the strategy, the intention, the motive was discussed in the cabinet, and they brought it out in public. They announced to people of the world, sending invitation. Nigerian government, come and watch. You are sending invitation to you. Only for the fact that PM was taken away. Okay? Which is somehow suspicious. With the activities and that utterances now, can you beat your chest and say that these people they don't know what happened to PM? I mean, after you know what you know, even if you don't know, go and listen to what happened before the convention. How did they even plan it? Who and who was involved? How did they discuss it? Was there anyone in a disagreement when they were talking about the declaration of Biafra? When their flight to Finland, does it mean that they don't know what they're going to Finland to do? These are questions you need to ask. Because for you to see, people who have criminal tendencies in them naturally, they don't want to, they always do everything possible to pretend that they are shameless, and they will maintain it publicly that they are shameless. How can somebody, a grown-up man, in this 24th century, I wish in the 24th or 25th century, I can't even remember. Now, these people made it clear to the whole world that they're in support of declaration, right? They're in support. Now, they planned it, they will travel to Finland, declare Biafra. Because the cabinet was reshuffled, whether it is reshuffled with a normal process or not. I mean, whether dissolving the cabinet, happened the way they want it or not. Whether they support it or not. You understand what I'm saying? For them to come back and decided to disown everything and distance themselves from the name USB, speak volume. It simply means that they know what happened to PM, and that's the validation that when COS said that these people don't want Biafra to be declared, you don't need to answer. You don't need to do research. You don't need to ask questions. This is typical fact. The real issue is this. When you hear them telling you now, fall back, and they're so determined that they can do anything, say anything to feel validated. But how can you validate that kind of thing? That somebody told you that Biafra is going to be declared. They started by telling you, first thing they said is that why must you dissolve the cabinet? The cabinet should not be dissolved. That's number one. Number two is that why the date that they declared it, that they already have a plan to shift the date, that we agree that this date will be declared, that even PM. So this thing that PM said is all of it, we want to change it. Then I ask a question. Declaring Biafra on 2nd of December and 29th of December, what did you lose? As a people, please. Just forget about sentiment. As a people, what negative impact does that have created in Biafra government or in the movement. Like, what is the profit that something that we should have gained had Biafra declared on 2nd of December that this thing is something that we should have been joined by now. But because you declared on 29, we have lost everything. Mention that, nothing. But they use that as an example. This is how shameless these people can be. They use that as if they are talking to inanimate objects. People who cannot reason at all. People who don't want to comprehend anything at all. That's what, to them, you are just there. Whatever they say matter. After all, I'm a minister. They refuse to admit that one of the reasons why they attacking and sorting COS all this while is because their office have been tampered. I said it then that those of you following me who can bear me witness that if COS maintain these people, and let's assume that COS did not touch Ogenkere, did not touch as a finance minister, did not touch Akbarawa as a information minister, allowed Chiamaka Jere to the egg breaker, the agric egg, maintain his position as deputy information minister. None of them would have kicked against. By now, COS would have been the, our able lady. Somehow, that's what I felt. Maybe I'm wrong because Ogenkere actually want more higher position, to be honest with you. Because for him to pilot and facilitate the arrest of PM, some of you may not believe this, but I begin to, think that in that direction, that he knows what happened to PM. There's no two ways about it. There are a lot of things. Some of us don't have access to some of this classified information about what happened to PM. But somehow, we can also agree that the movement and the utterances and the decision that making now is in line with something that someone who actually facilitated the arrest of PM would have done. You could have. How can you tell me that PM all of a sudden will be in detention, preaching that people should fall back? And I just question, how? Now, for them to make sure that your mind and your emotion is being corrupt or being twisted, they have to bring something that will make that to happen. And that is when they, like now, they started with Madame Bao, meaning that COS is a kind of, what is the word? Like, Okuchere Fancha. Somebody who says something and cannot go back, who don't listen to advice, who don't care about the opinion. That's the impression they want to impart on Biafrans. That is why they created this Bao. We, some of us, out of anger, have actually validated that. Like I said, I don't want to go there, but if I'm just watching. I promised that that I would like to talk about what happened. No case, no. The guy from somewhere, I think in Ghana, Ghana, who claimed that he's watching my program, he had been following me, that I got it. He said he liked my program, he liked me, he liked Elena, he liked everybody. But that I got it wrong when I said that I don't move and utterances shows that she wants to build her own group. If you're a truthful person, you wouldn't have said that. But that's the truth, and like I said, I don't want to start scratching this wound again. Let us just let it lie. Some of you are waiting for me to react on that because I promise I will do that. But on the second thought, I don't want to be seen as quasitable. Okay? Sometimes we need to give pieces chance to reign. Okay? But the issue at hand is these criminals claiming and preaching evil for people to fall back and support them. Now, you may ask, what are they actually want? What are they looking for? Is it freedom or for their own personal gain? What are they actually looking for? Is it to maintain or to glorify their name and to remain relevant? The issue is that all of them have one thing in common. They want their name to be heard and the business that followed it. Some of you don't know that they have app to send money to Nigeria. Muslim account. People that are telling you, no, we don't, Muslim account. Islamic bank account. The COS has nothing to do with this nonsense they're talking about. And we can see through that. They actually believe that we are done, that like we are, our brain is somewhere, no matter how we go, no matter, it cannot affect everybody. I'm being honest. It cannot affect everybody. Go and do your worst in the time of your altar and all that. Go and do that. It's not going to affect everybody. Some of us are very pure, very pure in spirit, very pure in physical. What I mean by pure, I'm not saying that you don't commit sin, but you don't have any intention to commit, to sell out, to lie, to pretend, or to take advantage of your loved ones or your brothers. What I mean by loved one, I'm talking about the entire Biafrans, to take advantage of people. Some of us don't have that in our mind. And people like that, no matter your propaganda, you actually destroying yourself. And so shall it be. So shall it be. These people, Akbarawa that always come online from time to time, say something and go back and pretend that he's too busy. He's a busy man. PM is busy and he also is busy. Now, he can come online on space and start gossiping. Everything he's saying, some of our women, fellow women, to like CS. Instead of them to tell Biafrans their own grievances on CS, they hide it. One of the grievances, like I said, is her personal life, her achievement, her profile. They are envy of that. They don't want to tell you because once they tell you, they're not going to win your soul. Not your soul, your intention rather, because your soul belongs to God. So then they will try to do everything to convince you to corrupt your mind. Everything is just for them to make sure that CS is down. Why I'm saying this now is because the celebration online on social media today about the suspension of CS account that have generated a lot of views. When CS, celebrated the number of followers that she had, they felt bad about it. They jumped online and started talking about it, saying that it's Nigerians, that her followers are Nigerians. Remember the same thing they said to PM, that he's using multiple accounts, multiple phone from China to generate views and followers. That his followership are from these are something they bought over and all that. Kai, please help of Ogenkere account platform. Now let me go to the comment section. I can see many of us are here. So let me just go to the comments. I will start from the beginning, please. First person here that I need to recognize here. We are now 33 minutes in the program and still count. We are still here. Harry Bishop Ugo, may God beautify your life, my brother, for your good job. Thank you, Harry. I appreciate that. Amen. Psalms Ndamode do Ogenkere, Sonia Barawa, and Vam think that Obato Bie will not be released. These people are trying to bring down the struggle, but their efforts are making some Biafrans stronger. You are in the spirit, my brother, and this simply means that you are following what is going on. People like us did not just feel to come out to talk or to air our opinion because we love to talk. Never. Before now, I can't even face camera to talk 1 minute. That's not the fact. Anyway, that's a story for another day. Kalia, I don't know what may say hi. Okay, thank you. Gift to Keke. I greet you, Mazuka the Kai report. Good morning, good morning from my end. Okay, thank you for your good work. One love. Thank you, Gift. God bless you too. Our brother Freeman Oko to Oye. I see you. God bless you. I greet you, my brother. John, hello. John say hello, brother. How are you doing, bro? What's up? I am a police officer. You said this before, and I asked you, police officer, where you refused to answer. Nice to have you anyway. Thank you. Beatrice said from Bulgaria. Nice to have you from Bulgaria, our friend from Bulgaria. How are you? I hope you understand English language. Okay, I am a woman soccer player in Switzerland. Thank you. Nice to hear that. Innocent. 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 My cat and rat. He said, good evening, Biafrans. Okay, nice to have you. And Gift said, you are right. Okay. Freeman. Okay, let me just pick the one that they're talking to. That's this Ogenkere, acting Prime Minister. Itiboribo, I think that would mean know nothing. That's from Innocent. And I watch those people, and watching those people is a waste of data. As Raymond, my brother, please do this Ogenkere. Do this Ogenkere have a page or a soccer or a social media account where he is agitating about Biafra? Because I want to go and see what is he saying about what IBB said. Okay, let me tell you this. Yes, he do have a platform. They push him to open one. Okay, they push to open one because everything about him is pushing me. Kwame, let's go. Boys, oh yeah. That is what they're doing to him, and he knows that. Even yesterday, the video that I analyzed about him last, I think the recent one, where he talked about he wanted to address Biafra. He said he called his own CS, one other guy that live in US that want to be Americana. When he talk, you can see the way he pronounce word. I know the kind of person he is. I don't want to go there, but please just understand what I'm trying to say. That guy is what he made his own CS, and he was calling the guy to be his timekeeper. That Biafrans are complaining that he don't talk much. He want to break world record. His own Guinness Book of Records, the longest speech of a prime minister in exile, and he tried to do something that differently from what he normally do. And Akbarawa, of course, that always, if you know Akbarawa, if you want to, Akbarawa can only deceive people who are available. If you made yourself, available, he will deceive you because he can't deceive you without mocking you. And once he mock you, if your brain is working, you should reconnect to realize what he's trying to do. But Genkrenan, he can't do that. He will forge ahead. Okoye can the Arise TV now. Jibuma can boss on every hacker. Please. That guy is the one that want to make promise. Now your question is if he have platform where he agitate. He do. He have, but that platform is only for sharing. That's what he's doing there. Sharing. He don't have any quality, anything whatsoever. There's a video that I saw, but I need a full video of that video. One of them actually bashing them like Adadorama bashed the government. But they don't want to play that video. And please, if you have that video, send it to me. And I may be forced to, ask somebody that I don't want to ask that kind of thing, but I may forced to go and ask that for that video. That video is something that everybody needs to have on their platform. If you are speaking for for Biafrans and you believe that what you are saying is in line with what Biafrans need to hear, you need to bring that lady's video to analyze it a little bit, because that's what they normally do to other people. Yeah, so we are gonna give you that their own food, they will eat it. So my brother, your question about whether he's have platform or not, he do have platform, but that platform is for sharing and tagging nobody. Okay, when they notice that CS have a lot of followership, they started cooking up a way to bring it down, and today they have succeeded. Now, please, for some of you that are if you are just joining us, COS have opened new Twitter space, and your own duty is to go and follow her. Like I said earlier, she's posting and tweeting. She's posting and tweeting there for the betterment of everybody, and not only for everybody. Her tweet and her voice there is for your own good. So all you need to do is to go to your X and search for this name. Okay, go there and search for this name. Okay, you just search this name here at Windstorm 111. Then follow her up there. That's her new Twitter account as we speak. Because the other one that has been suspended by the people that love to, look at it here. Okay, this is our brother Cool TV shared it. This is the old one. This account has been suspended. You can see it here. So, and I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened, but based on the people that I've seen that celebrating that the account was suspended, I can tell you for free that people that are behind, that are Ogenkere group. Royce, as you can see on my thumbnail here, made a post about it, rejoicing. The other guy that called Okute TV was jubilating about it. All of them are celebrating about it, but some of you that don't even follow her before, because of this may push you to follow her, and believe it or not, it's a matter of time. COS account will bounce back, more than as it used to be. More than as it used to be, and I can assure you that. Now, let's continue. Let me go back to the comment because I was reading some comment here. Don't forget we have number here. If you want to contribute, you can call and add one or two things, because this is night broadcast. It's not something that we need to specify our intention on one thing. We can discuss anything here just to be together, because I was very busy today, so I didn't do much here. Okay, we have our we have our sister here, Happy Me, one of us, our lovely sister, who is doing marvelously well, a very good job, always on point. She's here. She said, "My brother, they have turned this struggle into a joke. They are agents of Nigeria and also want to continue to make money with Biafran struggle." Yes. One thing we all know is that some of these people that are anybody, even me here, anytime you see me forcing myself to lead, forcing myself to be relevant, that my voice should be the one Biafran will follow. Anybody doing that is your enemy. I'm telling you gospel truth. Let's hear from this our brother, then we continue. Hello.
My brother, good morning.
Good morning to you. How are you?
Okay, mother. Thank God. I want to thank you for your broadcast this midnight. I'm calling from Holland.
Okay.
I'm still awake.
I can see.
I want to thank you for the news, at least for the news of our COS, for the new account. God will surely bless you.
Amen.
Please, I want us to talk about. I'm not giving you a topic here, but I think on Sunday I want us to really talk about this. What did you call it? This IBB Babangida that broadcast. So we have a lot of things to say about that place. But the one that we are talking about this night, Ogenkere is a demonic with the people that following him. Any reasonable person that mean good, no reasonable woman being that will look at that man and say that this man has anything to offer. You understand? I'm not really, I'm very happy because if not for this woman, honestly speaking, by now,
Alo Karimo.
But people don't know that God used this woman to remove shame from anybody that come from Southeast. People don't know.
You're right. Imana before
this woman remove shame.
Exactly.
From her face.
Exactly.
But people don't recognize that. To this extent, if it is thing that is happening, honestly speaking, if it not the grace of God upon this woman, if it is somebody like me, my brother, I have dumped that thing and walk away from me. Because number one, this woman is okay, is living fine.
My brother, let me ask you a question before you go. I will still come back to the topic that you said that you are not giving a topic, but you want me to discuss about IBB. I would like to know what you want me to talk about IBB, but let us finish what. Let me ask you this first. After the disappearance of PM, because initially we don't know what happened, right? Before everybody was confused. Then nobody was able to say anything. Remember, COS was not always even at this moment. She's not a social media person, like always broadcasting, posting, and she's not that. She come online from time because she's a busy person. Now we normally see every blessed day we must see Chiamaka Jere. Every blessed day we must hear from Sona Akparawa, right? Right?
Yes.
Now these two individuals happen to be Minister of Information and Deputy Minister of Information. Now, when PM disappeared, we were waiting to know what happened. Everybody was waiting.
Yes.
Everybody was waiting to understand, to know what was going on. What is going on? Are we going to repeat the same class again, like what happened to Maza Monagano? Then
exactly.
as we are waiting, this guy, Sona Akparawa, summoned courage to tell us that he went on a national assignment, right? Then
exactly.
with that, some of us actually believe that maybe he's having a meeting, he's very busy. Nobody have this idea of arrest, anything. My question to you is, can you tell me one thing that Chiamaka Jere said during that time to Biafrans as a deputy information minister to inform Biafrans what happened? Can you mention one thing?
Okay. Yeah, when you come out, honestly speaking, all of us lose hope, including me, number one. Do you understand?
Yeah.
It was when the woman come out.
Don't worry. Don't worry about that one. The question is, did you hear Chiamaka Jere? I'm talking about Chiamaka now. Did you hear anything from Chiamaka Jere about whereabouts of PM or not? Yes or no?
No, I didn't hear anything from you.
God bless you. Then, did you hear anything? God bless you. Did you hear anything from Ogen Kere about whereabouts of PM? What happened to PM? Anything at all? Did you hear anything?
No, Ogen Kere didn't say anything.
Okay, fine. Eunice, who is non-Twitter hoster or whatever you call that, spacing every now and then, and Helen Peters, and who again? Betty Ford. All of them. Did you hear them? Did you hear anything from them?
Nobody.
Okay.
Nobody.
The only thing that come out from them was when Sona Akparawa, out of frustration and push from Biafrans, he came out and said that PM was on a national assignment. That's all, right?
Yes.
Which is a lie from Minister of Information, which is a lie to the people of Biafra. Okay? Now,
yeah.
even after he said that, people were still confused and the panic increased because to the extent that Remy Juice did a program and was swimming. Right?
Yes.
Now,
yes.
finally.
Yeah, I didn't follow you.
Finally, COS, who is not Minister of Information, she's not Deputy Minister of Information, neither she's not even acting Prime Minister, she's not Financial Minister, she's COS, which today, someone like Betty Ford is telling their friend that she's just an errand woman, that PM, like receptionist of PM, go and print this document. Okay, go and put my bag in my car. I want to go somewhere. Where is that my file? Go and print my this document. Have you sent that email? That is what they are trying to tell you, that this job of COS. But during this critical time, COS was.
I don't know that is the job of COS.
She came out and told their friends what was the issue. The whole thing, everything she explained. She was not whispering to Biafra. She was saying that with a lot of energy and confidence. That boosts the morals of Biafrans. Some people who refuse to confirm their ticket to Finland begin to reconfirm it, that we have somebody here. Even people that are not Biafrans begin to shout, we told Nigerian government this, that it's not about going about and arresting these people, that if you take this one away, another person will come out. People was like, yeah, this is the time. Yes, we support COS. Her voice was so loud and has a lot of energy. Those guys, I remember when Chiamaka was, before he started his broadcast, he will play some voice of COS. They are proud of her. They are happy with her. But because the COS reshuffled the cabinet, so if this woman if she can defend Biafra, speak for Biafra, and lead at that time, that all these men were afraid of talking. They were panicking. That's not the fact. All of them were afraid.
Yeah.
And she made it clear too.
Sorry, let me help you somewhere.
Okay.
Because the way you are saying it now, the way you are saying it now, some people will be thinking that you are helping CS. Okay, let me use myself that I'm not in the not in the social media.
Okay.
I want to shift something inside this, and I want people to understand. You understand where I'm going now?
All right.
So I want people to understand when this thing happened, my brother, I'm telling you nothing but the truth. From morning to night, till daybreak, I did not get myself for that past 3 days.
You are not alone. A lot of people.
I'm telling you. Then until when this woman come out and made that broadcast, the energy, the vibrant, and the strength that I saw in her, that is the day that our fight started.
Okay.
The day that she came out and speak and made that broadcast, that is the day that the war started. You know why the war started? That is the day that it started. So now Parawa and the Ogekere have been seeing this woman as a threat. You understand?
Very well.
They don't know that this woman has that energy in her. That is when they discover that if they allow this woman to continue with this energy she has, this woman is going to kick us away. They already know. Are you understanding?
Very, very well, my brother. Very, very well. Not only that moment, too. Not only that moment. In Finland.
No. It was that moment that the spirit possessed her. Honestly speaking, if you see OS did not come out and make that broadcast, the spirit will not possess her. Are you understand?
Yeah.
This thing is the spiritual thing. That day that she come out and made that broadcast, that is the day that the spirit possessed her. And after that, she went to the Finland and God revealed a lot of things for her. She now say, I will not going to declare Biafra on 2nd of December because she already saw what will happen in that 2nd December.
Thank you. And these people, they couldn't bear it. They couldn't bear the truth.
Yeah. They couldn't bear it. Okay, look at what this idiot was saying in broadcast. I was listening to her, I think yesterday or day before yesterday. She was saying that she COS went to the Finland before 2 weeks before the day of the declaration. That is another lie the idiot, the Sonia Brawa. I mean, Sonia Brawa brought what will be the name of the AM? What did they call him?
Who?
That idiot.
Okay, get it.
The Ogenkere. That is another lie he brought. Now he brought that the COS is in Finland 2 days ago. I understand. So the people that is following this Ogenkere.
The reason why, let me help you. Let me help you. The reason why the guy is saying this man is saying that, you know, each time if you call him Ogenkere, if you call him a criminal, he will do everything to prove to you to people that you also, he will use the same thing again against you. People just like last week and even this week, of course, a lot of Biafrans are revisiting that issue of what fight did you submit to Finland government? What did you go there to do?
Yes.
So because of that, he will come back to, he think that he want to counter that statement. That's why he's not talking about the COS travel to Finland. Okay, which means yes, I'm not the only one that traveled to Finland. What about your COS? If that's why I said that this guy is not smart. If you have something upstairs, you cannot use something that somebody used against you, okay, to counter what somebody actually used already against you. You will travel to Finland to submit files. You want to submit that document to local police. Now, Biafran want to know the content of that file. What and what did you actually submit? What is the evidence? What did you go there to do? He's going to answer this question and now come back to throw question. He prefers to use question that is irrelevant to answer the question that Biafrans are waiting to hear.
Answer question that they ask him.
Yes. Remember the time, do you know why they started talking about mandate account? That account is Islamic account, is a Fulani account. Because Biafra say, give us account. Tell us that PM is facing so charges about how the fund, the flow of funds in the account that you can carry is the account holder. Tell us what happened. And the rumor that governor of Enugu State said that he have some evidence that there's a money wired from his from government purse to social account. They track it, they trace it, later they know the account. Now, that evidence, if Ogenkere did not submit any evidence or report this issue, don't you think normally that they Finland should have go for Ogenkere? Because
they're supposed to go.
Now, let me tell you, they will not. The reason why they will not go to him because he's the one that submitted the file. He reported on time.
Yes.
Okay, he reported on time. We are not stupid. One of the reasons why they have not summoned him, for example, now, if you're a brother, not you, I'm just using the example, please. If you're a brother,
no problem.
If your brother is a kidnapper, okay? Then you decided to go to police station to report this your brother. That I don't know what is going on. No, this my brother is keeping late, and the way he's spending money now, I don't understand. The way he's making calls, I don't understand. Please come and do investigation. That's the first police report. Then, if eventually maybe the police, maybe they did not take that report serious, they just ignored it and allow you to just say what you want to say and go. Okay? They don't want to calm down to investigate. They just take it normal. Then after some months, it happened that your brother is being caught in act of murder. when the investigation will start, they will remember that so months, one Mr. A, Mr. B reported this guy. And when they check, it happen to be you as a brother. When they bust that house, when they come to your family house or the house where your brother is living, maybe you are living with him. They're not that your case will just die. Why? Because you have reported it on time.
Exactly.
Are you getting my point? Now, this guy must have reason why, because like I said, for such amount to be wired in your personal account, you must send some details about the account to the people. He cannot just land just like me now. If I say that my account number is 13440006, that is my bank account. You think that you can use that? Maybe you know my name. You can use that to wire a huge amount of money. No, they will have something like Swift code and some other things, bank address. So how do they get the bank address to where such amount? So who send it? If not the account holder that will send that thing to the people. Okay, what I'm saying now is just my own understanding, my own feeling. Let's assume that what I'm saying is irrelevant, that is not true. The question should be, why are you not afraid to show your account? Let us see how money moved and landed in your account. And what was your reaction after that money landed in your account? So maybe this guy used Conway. Maybe he called PM. I'm just saying, because he knows the intention. When the money, when he cooked up with people that wire the money to the account, his personal account, he'll be like, hello PM. It's like their friends are already in love with this freedom. You know, there's a huge amount of money that we receive. Now PM, we are happy. We move airborne. PM will say, yeah, he will be recording it, you. Okay? He will be recording it. And PM will say something that, you know, that kind of thing. He will give that video evidence. Then when PM come online, maybe was celebrating about it that this year things will happen, you know, that kind of thing. Without knowing, innocent person. Without knowing anything. He will cut that video and keep. These are the documents that he must have submitted. Then after that, then what happened. For them to do the proper investigation, you cannot just hold PM because the PM of the movement. What about the account holder? Nobody's talking about it. Nobody's talking about it simply because it doesn't matter. After all, his PM is there. And he pretend that he's working. He's the one, you know, making sure that PM will come out very soon. For you to be innocent of this thing, your account need to be audited. It's no longer about you showing the statement of account. We need to hire private auditor to check your account. Because you cannot ask now. Oh yes, asking EB. Now we are the work at no work if you can make me I'm okay, I can make it fully. But this idea of covering it, man, asking an EB, say, what about you, your own uncle? It simply means that you have EB, you use the EB, but you don't want people to talk about it. So, my people, help me click on that button. I can see that we have 111 watching, and only 24 people have clicked on like button. It doesn't, to me, it's not good at all. It's not a good sign. If you are not like the video, please like it. If you don't know how to like it, maybe you don't see the like button. There's 3 dots at top right corner on your phone. 3 dots. Tap it. It will show you option where you can like the video. Very, very important. This is later broadcast, and people need to get to watch the video. So, my people, my brother, do you have another thing to say? Are we going to end it here?
No, I have another thing to say. What you just said that is the good analysis for this matter, because they really planned this. Because I was listening to this guy in Finland. I forgot his name. There is one guy in Finland that used to update us very well. One guy like that. I forgot his name. I think he will know this guy. What is this guy name? This guy said something about 2 days ago. He said that a lot of there's one guy in Finland like that. The guy is living in Finland. The guy they talk with authoritative.
Okay, was it Uche?
No, it's not Uche. It's not Uche. It's not Uche.
He's a broadcaster.
It's not Uche. The guy. No, the guy is also. If they come out for social media, he's supporting Samuel. He's supporting.
Okay,
Biafra.
that guy that guy that have body.
Thank you.
I don't. Is he living in Finland? I don't think so. I don't know where he lives anyway.
No, that guy is in Finland. He's in Finland.
Okay.
That guy is in Finland. He's living in Finland. He's a citizen of Finland.
Okay.
So that guy, he was saying something. He said they have going, we should cool down because the evidence that have dropped the petition they dropped against our leader Samanegba. He said some of this the petition and some of the allegation is very, very crooked. Are you understanding?
Yeah.
It's not only Nigeria. It's not only Nigeria. Every petition is in that table. Cabinet member who can carry petition is in that table of Finland police.
Okay.
Are you understand?
Very, very well.
Are you understand? Because it was that guy that they say they paid. It was that guy that bring that $450 million dollars. It was that guy that say they have traced the money. The guy traced the money on his because that guy is like investigator on his own self. Understand? So it was that guy that because there's a money that this man said that was missing. The Enugu state governor.
Yeah.
The same amount that moved to Ugenkere account to this our leader. In another.
Yeah.
So Ugenkere have already planned this because Ugenkere want to test the power. He want two people to call him prime minister.
God.
I understand because let me tell you something. 2023, when they went to the Finland Convention, Ugenkere was not recognized very well because they like to everybody to recognize him. So it was then that Ugenkere now start planning because it's only two people we know then, COS and our leader Nande Samanegba. Because if you look at we go and watch the video.
I know the guy is too desperate. He's too desperate that he can do anything. He can do anything to answer that PM. And it seems like before the PM, before the arrest of PM, maybe the guy already prepared his suit and he bought a new shoe and everything.
He's already prepared it. This guy don't prepare it is from that 2023.
So when he noticed that the CS is will be the obstacle, he started to give Sonak Barawa and Van Baman what they love so much. You know, we have Femi Fani-Kayode of our Biafra. Femi Fani-Kayode. These two guys are Femi Fani-Kayode.
Yeah, before that time, they don't buy media with the money. They don't use money buy the media already. I understand.
Very well.
Because he knows that they will use the media. But to go so bad, the two people refused. What is name? Ugo 247 and Adado Rama. because two of them say, this money you are giving to us, I don't understand. Are you understand? So, but you already bought the 3 people, assuming that he bought these people with Ugo 247 and Adate Orama. Honestly speaking, COS will not be where he is today.
The only thing you need to understand is that God is the one that make people what they would be. It does not matter. It does not matter your plan, your how you want it. Anybody that want to lead or you want to be recognized or to be seen as one of the person. In fact, you are so important or that. You need to understand that you are talking to people who know what they want. Biafrans are not like a sheep. Kacha, follow, come, go there, go. No. PM did something before Biafra followed him. I was talking with somebody. He said that if PM come out now, and that is when PM come out and say follow that then he has something to say. I said, look at what are you talking about? So people forgot that PM did not beg anybody to follow him. PM did not force himself on people. Every one of us that listen to PM or you are following him, you followed him because of what he was doing.
He fought.
You don't follow him because he mandated you to follow him. You saw what he was doing and you choose to follow. The same thing with Mazaman. This is the first time in history of Biafra or movement that people want to, have a leader that somebody recommended that leader for you. Somebody recommended the leader.
Those imagine.
I'm strong, my brother. I see you.
People do not agree with you. You are running a cause to them.
Sorry?
A leader, that the person that they call himself a leader, because some people do not agree with you. You are running a cause to them.
Okay.
Is it a leader?
I know them not join say, for you to have followership. How many kilos are PM before with
So, my brother, I really thank God today. I beg you people should, those that are watching, please, I want those people to follow my brother and tap and share the video and, please, he's doing a great work. Wherever you are hearing my voice, he's doing a great work. Imagine by this time, he's doing a great work. I know that the place that he is now, it may be morning or it may be afternoon, but he's doing a great work. My brother, I really appreciate you so much, and thank you, and God bless you.
God bless you, my brother. Thank you. Your call is you.
Consign that topic.
Yes, thank you for reminding me.
Consign the Babangida issue.
Yeah.
You see, the problem that Igbo people have is the people that call themselves a billionaire.
Okay.
The rich people in our Igbo land.
Yeah.
Those people are killing us and killing us.
Can you reason? Your reason?
My reason is that do you know the highest person that he donated money that day?
When?
After this man for Babangida book.
Okay. Come on.
The highest person that donated money is Igbo man.
Are they surprised?
Yeah, I was surprised.
Are they surprised?
After the man, yes.
No, that means the man been Davis now. But if Sudan, let me tell you, if Sudan of Sokoto,
do you know what pains me so much? What pains me so much after this man, all of us know that what happened in 1966 wasn't Igbo coup. But Babangida to come out because all of them target is Igbo coup. Then after Babangida come out last week or last 2 weeks and said that this coup is not Igbo coup, he knew that this coup is not Igbo coup. And this coup took over 6 million Biafra away. And the Igbo man come out and give 500 million to this man.
Okay.
Jesus Christ. My brother, we have issue. You see, my prayer is that Biafra will come. You see all these big men, the Biafra government need to do with them. I'm telling you nothing but the truth.
Before you go, let me say something. So each of Kaibe program about it, can debunk one or you have already.
Yeah, I tell you the truth, though. He's my brother. Honestly speaking,
can I celebrate? Hey, no, you 500 million. Can I celebrate in a program? Can you in a program?
not the 500 million, but the way our people, look at Ohaleze. The stupid Ohaleze way we get, instead of them to come out and say Nigeria should release Nnamdi Kanu under 24 hours because of this allegation. You don't know what they are demanding 10 trillion and demanding
Did you watch my last video here, like video I posted here before this live stream? Like
no, I was too busy today.
That video, go and watch it. I think what is that of that video said? I can't remember. That video, I think the beginning of the title has to do with the Yoruba man reject something like that. That's why I put it. You can watch that video. You see Femi Fani-Kayode and Babangida. I have said something about this issue. Initially, I decided not to talk about it here. I have my reason. I don't like equal something that will irritate me the more without having any solution or a way to sort it out. There's a difference between the problem that have a solution and the problem that is ongoing without any solution, no remedy. So I love to talk about a solution that have a problem that I know a way, what I can suggest what to do about, not the one that I'm yet to know how to solve. I don't want to venture into it. The issue of one of the problem that we have is not about, because we're talking about millionaires. Number one problem that we have is not millionaires, it's not even rich people in Igbo. I have listened to people, many of us actually believe that our problems are those wealthy men. They are not. And I will tell you why. One of the major problems that we have are those who don't even have anything. Because somebody who is down, let me tell you, I'm not here to preach violence, because some of you may would like to twist what I'm trying to say. You don't have money. You don't have someone to represent you. You are just an Igbo man, an average person who struggles to earn his daily bread. Now, it is your duty for you to know your problem. That your problem is to make sure that those wealthy ones, okay, will not find it easy with you. That will condition the brain to fix you up. Because if you keep on folding your hand and relax, waiting, your prayer will be, let us the wedding man in your community is Ben, Mr. Ben. Mr. Ben, please, my prayers, he will remember me. Then when Mr. Ben come, travel back to village and see you, first thing, Isamoto. Isachaya. Then tomorrow, Mr. Ben will summon you people to line up and go and cast vote for his friend, the Fulani person that is contesting. You do that. He will share 1,000 naira to you. You buy egu at a logo. Una bache egu na and you kata no bia na war. Hey, na. Then when he asked Mr. Ben, this Mr. Ben, he get news. You know, Mr. Ben no one powerful hospital na Zamfara. Okay? Then in a radio, Mr. Ben will come back home. Guasun kun woro Magasawa Street is, which is good to clean your community is good. I'm not against it. But what I'm trying to say, my brother, is that some of these people that are not wealthy, but they allow themselves to be used against people that are not wealthy like them, are the problem. You see, somebody like Ifeanyi Ubah, with all the money, he's late now. May his soul rest in peace. I don't want to talk about the dead person, but let me use him as an example.
I beg, they talk that push peace in soon the rest.
No, I know. You know why I said, see, get it.
Forget that one, my brother.
I forget. Listen.
I'm a very calm person.
Listen. This man, just forget about it, whether peace or not peace, forget about it. This guy, he used his money. The only thing, when they claim but can we also talk about Ndo Dufe? In our can we also talk about Ndo Dufe? Ndi Ogotebe, we end the matter. Just to counter, to make government, federal government to see that he's doing it to favor the federal government. Not because of the well-being of his people. No. Some of us that are following what is going on, we know that most of us have projects in Abuja, you have projects in Lagos. For you to be seen and recognized, but deep down your mind, in our job, how to stop it. Some people that you see talking about freedom and Biafra today are doing that for them to come closer to know who to stop for Biafra to come. That's the reality. So we donate because tomorrow on a village now. Mr. Okeke Dayema Mbombo, right? Agwalian, I go tell you on our. Then on a Oga donate also. Away the question, if you pass donate. When they use that money is when it has something that has to do with our people, like against our people. If I banana, that money you spend, you go table. Just to counter sit at home, nothing more. Nabia Nanewi, a war any insurgency like any criminal record, not gonna be a game not that gonna bend also. But he even came out and said it publicly that Simon Ekpa ni Bobenanwa, he went any investment here. He watched the video, he was bragging about it. Today he can't go around the way he is today because of the same guy. So the man donate Lego na aka Babangida. Omakwana ega for donate wiki and up you go to Mongo where they have done the Bob. Naka de Bukaram. Aka the bandit. 500 million.
Can you see?
Now, Iya Babangida, OGM again. Madame Corners School. Keep Babangida. Chita Nigeria maybe not or any investment, any capital project in his name, zero.
That is us it.
Now you carry the money and hand over to him. What do you think that he will use it to do? To facilitate jihad. To push the man is part of the jihadist movement. Now, why I made the video at all, my brother, is not even about a Lego. I'm a problem in the buy. Some of us that are not wealthy, people that are done. If you can stand, you get you up again. Stop going there, jumping from place to place, testing every food you see. Because that is the downfall of everybody. And then in that to stop them is very, very easy. Okay, every do ESN. Can even ESN? Up on the way the people are ndị na kidnap Mazam can get any kidnap Mazam can up where the people the finance it's not federal government that they those things. They only hide under federal government. They are the ones doing it. PM Samanepa was detained. He's still not in detention when they arrest him and all those things that are going on. Kedeni Fomakia only Bona. Now those people that sign petition that are tagging Finland, they make a gift and co. The one called what is this guy that looks like Sheikh Husani? Elochuku. Somebody Elochuku. Need USA. Ego de Kahachi. Ego. But the little they can do to sabotage, they will do it. So don't always wait on the. Imagine what the gift and go can do now when they're not billionaire. Imagine if they when they get to the level of having that kind of money. Imagine what they would do. Imagine what they would do. So I don't think that we should always channel our energy on those wealthy people. If you do the right thing, even now you don't have the money, those wealthy people, their brain will be reset. Do the right thing. Imagine if that thing have a much effect. People like us will not be saying anything because the first batch of what's the family of
Yes, yes.
But imagine that aqua non at all. No, they see everybody called at all. Oh, Guinea go game match. Knowing fully that looking at himself, because you cannot say it's me yourself, my brother. You can also check what you can do and beat your chest, say yes. If I come out, I will do this thing. But can he fight for Biafran or fight for freedom alone as a Jede Global? He claimed that he is his name. Can he do it alone without support of the other people? No. But you want to fight other people that are fighting with you to liberate yourself. You want to be the obstacle. You want to help people that are actually pushing it. Let me tell you something. Nigerian government have not even sweat in going after our people or like attack. Like what Obasanjo said, use Igbo to stop Igbo. They are not using they are using the wealthy people, but people that are doing the manual labor, that final job, are those are our brothers who don't have anything. Like what I said, no, on my platform now, tomorrow now, maybe let's say Ojo say them their contact at this boy. We want him to be speaking in our favor. You know what that kind of thing. If I accept that kind of thing, what is different between me and the man all the same thing. Even though I don't have the money, but I am now in the level of the person that have the money by sabotaging and destroying what you shouldn't. In fact, this thing always something you got nature your time in a fire. Focus on if you suppose amen. How many of us can do that?
Some of our people want to eat all the whole food.
Do you know, Master Namukano know this. That's why when he said that I am looking for 100 men, a couple of 100 men who are Bobby. You know what I mean? A couple of 100 men who are Bobby, a couple of 100 men who are in Quacha, the wisdom. Because I'm the only man who go to and believe in a wisdom. So, about that kind of 100 men, if I need cook, we are born, the gabo, is go the meat, egg. In fact, the best food everywhere. In the best environment, they will tell you, we have to do this in a right way. How many can do that? All the very few. All of us may claim, I cannot do it. Oh, God, how I tell you, mama. About now, that's why when I said I'm not a freedom fighter. Why? Because now that temptation have not come to me. Only the freedom fighter, after the freedom fighter, only go through that process. I didn't make a prison. I didn't make by prison. No, I didn't make we got in that and then jump like wow. Even the kubo ndi echegole goniru like this. Can we live and let other people live? Can we follow peaceful way? Can we stop committing nuisance? Oh, you got mandible, freedom. Biafra. Freedom does not make you a freedom fighter. Some of you will say, "Oh, why you, Kai? I don't trust you. You said it. You're a content creator." Yes, I am. I'm a content creator until you prove otherwise. Because in the Bible, Kai report, thank you so much, my brother. You are doing a very good job. You are doing my very well. Oh, it's not going to I have arrived. Now I can lead Biafra. Now, I am done one of the leaders in Igbo land. In a plant, that nonsense, Nemo be the person. Oh, go so ziggy. No, you are the one that made him to think that he's important in Biafra or in Igbo land. In the hey, no, you have sabotage. It was sabotage. Oh, go melody sabotage. Oh, in a praise and if you sense. In a fear, oh, hey, my brother, you are best. You are. That's not like you. Oh, my brother, thank you. Don't divert. Divert from what? Divert. Even the call supposed to. I'm supposed to now. This is right. This is even supposed. So it makes as if that now I'm doing you a favor. You are by saying that you are, because all that's the problem. Go and check everybody that is defeating jump, that is trying breaking your heart today. At one time, maybe in the past, you have already praised them. You have praised them to the extent that they can't even they felt that they have we have this. No, stop it. He may come and appreciate them now. May I appreciate, but say one on there. Nah, my brother, you are best. My brother, my sister. In fact, my sister, thank you so much. My sister, you are this. My sister, no. Me and the boy, ngara nebu is too much. Oya boy,
yes.
Ngara. Ibakwa. Kai have na kai go
No. But I'm trying to tell you, I already called that I talked to them this evening. Since all this word, I don't call. So I called her this evening. I didn't appreciate you for what he did, but you have to be careful for certain people that is calling you, that though that they claim they love you, meanwhile they don't love you. This is what I told her. That is why. Let's go out from that side.
That is why, if anybody come to me and say, "Can report you are, I like to watch your program, and you are the best. You are the." If you cannot meet you, man, call that and say, go talk again. Go talk again because I know. If go talk again, go talk because I know. Oh, that cruise, mending mother. Yeah, if you learn now on equally power, the whole of day because na Biafra they follow you. Na again. You will not commit to lose. In a leader. In a committee.
That is the way our people behave.
Anyway,
that is the way our people they will praise you. And if the worst part is they will be praising you and they will be making mistakes and they will still praising you. It is only few people will come out and tell you, you are making mistake. You are making mistake. If you're not careful.
Tina, you know, Kim, somebody said that, okay, you are the worst. So, must we put our comment like that? You may say, I greet you. Well done. Something not this. If you like, if you say, I know myself. If I'm not, you can't push me with your praise. You are talking to yourself. You can't push me.
I don't wash you. That is why you are very calm. Understand? Somebody like you that is very calm. Understand? It is so difficult to people to enter them.
No,
because everything you do it gradually. Even sometimes when you talk it gradually. You don't want to make mistake, and you don't want anybody to put you to make mistake.
I don't need it, my brother. I don't need it because I am one ever going to experience it, but will be. If you can go away enough now. You can if you been to say this guy before. Hi. Oga on a program on an attachment room here when they program that time. Then if this guy who again? So now Parawan. Came recently. Anima as one of the most intelligent and smartest person. Now.
No. You see, pay from one. So now Parawan, right from origin. Honestly speaking, let me tell you, my spirit never accept. I know they listen to Nambarawa. I'm telling you nothing but the truth. I know they listen to Nambarawa. Immediately, if I enter so for Nambarawa, I will come out. One day, one of my friends called me and said, "Why is Charlie?" Because one like, "Oh man, I'm he follow well. I said, why? But he doesn't talk about this. I said, but my spirit don't accept that guy. I don't know why. I thought my spirit never accept him.
It is very lucky about that one. It is very lucky. Because sometimes our people in like you go to give if you not like you, they will show you what will make you fall in love with them. Then if you fall in love, if they fall in love with them, in a praise, they will love it. Anytime you make you withdraw that love, that praises. I think again, who if the power say gone. If you just identify is like so, that power started insulting people after the convention. Why? Because that little praises only more enjoy. Probably not like it's you better. Next thing, you guys are mumu, you guys are, that kind of thing. Meaning that without praising you will not do the right thing or say the right thing. Without the praises. So how can you trust that kind of person? How can you trust that kind of person? If Otito, nobody like that a framing sense to women no and like the man they forget that if you donate that 500 million equal now. Or just that go make a headline news. In our time, go make a headline news. Now the legal that is it Guinea car or get benefit from it. Or cannot as love or I want nothing as to love me. Let me see if maybe they will consider me as a governor or a minister that will do the job that favor the people of the Northerners. Why? Because use Igbo man against Igbo man to get what you want. And then all when they know that we go to the Yoruba if na wagenano. Yoruba people now believe that for you to tackle Igbo people, use them. That's why I started about you when they recruit to go Makaba and Sawana. Because if you like, you recruit all the Yoruba boys to go to maybe a boy state to stop IPOB or Biafran people there in a boy state. They will not succeed. But immediately you bring Igbo people in the midst, on a difficult. Okay, this is very difficult. So if I carry to go with Chopota, ordinarily, if you let them bring Yoruba, Hausa, other tribe that wish to join, build something like vigilante or anything you may call it, send them to any state in the eastern region to go and do the bidding of the federal government or whoever that is ruling that want to exterminate our people. They will not succeed. Our people will challenge them and they will not succeed. That's not the fact. And they know that when you hear Gumi suggesting that you should use those Igbo people, use their youth, they know what they're doing. Because we have that natural strength. I know some people may not like to hear this, but it's true. We have that natural strength that you cannot just do anyhow and go, get away with it. We have a way of, facing our challenges. Now, they are using the Asawana group and all of them hanging around in our region, doing what they can do with the help of army. Even the video, on my second platform, where he talked about it, that he's working, Kigwe and Okigwe and he mentioned another place. Is that Okigwe and is it Sukwato? There's just two places in Imo State that he said that he's fighting hand in hand with military. He said it. Now, no, I didn't make before. Now, the question is, who are those people that is fighting hand in hand? Indigenous people from Imo State, recruited with a few boys from his region. He tried to use his region before. I might go to end there. Or do funny. You know what? Funny. So now use Igbo people to do that. But it will be difficult, but they're not gonna succeed. That's all I can say about that. So my brother, maybe you go and check that my program, a video before this live stream. Check it. If you're okay with what we said there, if you are not okay, contact me again to tell me that what you want me to say about the topic that they want us to discuss about the IBB issue. Like when the whole thing was trending, I don't want to talk about it because to me it's irrelevant somehow, and I don't think it's something that I will need to start talking. It has to. There's no need, because whether you like it or not, if you like IBB, let him write 10 different books or more 10 different authors should come up with this idea of no. Now January 15, 1967 Q is not Igbo. Is not Igbo Q. Yorubas and some Northerners are still believe that is Igbo Q. You can't change it. You can't change it. Okay. You can't. Your friend Adadorama is a victim of praises. You can't say Adadorama is my friend. Okay, that I call her and give her advice, it does not mean that she's my friend. Okay, she don't. If I call her now, she may not even recognize my voice. Okay, so don't use the word of your friend. I don't know. Everybody is my friend anyway. So I saw a post of Femi Fani-Kayode. Okay, trying to debunk that IBB did not say that in his book. So that post made me to react on it. In fact, my comment centered on Femi Fani-Kayode's comment. So I will advise you to watch that video. It's a very long video. I think 50-something minutes video. But try your best, watch it any way you can. Then see what I said there and what Femi Fani-Kayode said. If you want to read what Femi said, you can go to his Twitter handle and see it. Okay? Typical.
I will do that. But this man come out and say, what is his name? Odos Okano. He say, truth to never finish. There is another thing that he expecting him to say, but he never say it. It will better him to say it before he goes. Okay. My brother.
Odos Okano. We need people like him to do what they're supposed to do also before they go.
No. I doesn't put Odos Okano in a woman
Let them do. So he's waiting for. Can you just imagine? He's waiting for IBB or another to tell your own story. Why don't you write a book or to tell us what you know? Or even if you cannot write a book, go and look for another Igbo author and bring your evidence.
All of them that are afraid because they have sold their hand, they have sold themselves. They cannot say. It's just like somebody that they have collected bribe. I understand.
Yeah.
They have collected bribe. They want to accuse somebody that is also collecting bribe.
Exactly.
That is all exactly what all of them did. That is why there's no politician in our southeast that will talk. No.
They know what they're doing, my brother. They know what they're doing. Thank you so much. So I would like to hear from you later about what I just said.
Okay.
Visit that video, and if there's any other thing you can.
Let me follow you first until close. I'm away.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. So that is our brother there. The line is still open if you want to add anything before we close. We are not going to waste much time because it's late hour. Anybody that have anything to say about it, you can call in now. So let's go back to our topic. For some of you that just joined, please go and follow COS. Okay, go and follow COS. Her account was suspended, and this is the new one that she has opened. This is Deputy Prime Minister, as you can see here. But if you type this name on X, you may not see her. So, to locate this account, make sure you type this one at Winston111. Okay, follow her there. Ka ndị na-ebe akwa na a lot of followers continue where they stop, because Imana since COS celebrated her followers, and she said something about it, they claim that, oh, no, that your followers are Nigerians, People Club of Nigeria, they are the one that following you. This kind of cheap propaganda. But we know the truth. So please go on S. If you're not on S, because of her, go and register. Very, very important. And I think let me read your comment, and I have emails also here. Okay. I did not even finish the comment before. Okay. Donatus, I watched Issa. Okay, I don't know. I can't remember. This comment is Machi said, "Good morning, Mazakai, reporting for the job." Okay. Tina said, "Well said, brother Kai. Thank you, Tina." And Armstrong, the truth is always pure. Exactly. Donatus, Tina, too much of praises. Too much of praises makes them feel without them the struggle will not stand. More. This is the problem. This is the problem. Praises. And if you say that if you release me, everything will fall. You hold me. You check for that now just make you give fake praises. You are not what you think you are, to be honest. And Armstrong said, native daughter from Avam channels have gone down. Really? Armstrong, is it a breaking news or what happened? Say have gone down his channel. Is it YouTube channel or X? Please remind me. Tina said, okay, maybe you were talking about the one happened before. I want to know what you mean. Let me just clear me on that, please. Kai, you are okay. I think I've read one from. Tuto Mama as a Kai report news and Genu Hardcore Biafrans worldwide. Nice to have you. Your name is Estobeno. Okay, Donatus said, I understand you very, very well, my dear. Okay, even Methuselah, okay. Tina, no color. Kai is not calm, but being careful, sourcing for the truth. Yeah, you may say that, and I think it's not a bad thing. Our sister happy, my spirit never agree with Sunday. And okay, massive media said, hi, Mazakai, can you please pump that US information again? Okay, I will do that after this. And Armstrong said the viewers have drastically reduced. I don't know comment and all the shenanigans she decided to do, was like a live support to the, winter breeze was blowing everywhere. These people were gradually going down, and all of a sudden, Adao Guinea were boosted an advocate, helping them in such a way that they couldn't even imagine it. Hey, tip him, he will go and break more egg. Or chicken in the year one cake. Okay, he's using modified egg anyway. He used modified egg. Let's continue. You want me to bring the account again, please? All the very important, very, very important. I'm going to need to follow BCS before. For this one, you need to follow her now. Okay, you need to follow her now, because the family, you get why. Some of you may not understand. Those who understand. Where is that account again anyway? if you know the challenges that CS is facing, you will not take her just like, you will not just look down on what she's doing, because the attack is everywhere. And the other, some people now, some people they just go after CS, they create the account. Okay, when you guys Ngozi or Abueze join, okay, this one is old account, I think it's old account. Ngozi or Abueze 2024, come back this one. The one I'm talking about is the one that she registered just this month, February. So that is the account, and I'm looking for, let me go back to that. So you can call in if you want to have something to say, because after this you may consider to close the program, because I need to, maybe if you have anything to say, or maybe not anything, maybe via what we discussed anyway. If you have something to say about it, you can just bring it on. Let's talk about it. Luma said, my question is, are these traitors above reporting their page as well? This your question is very, very difficult to answer. It is not good. It's not the right thing. I don't think it's a right thing for someone to do, like to start encouraging anybody to go and report platform. So I don't think it is a right thing to do, because it will not change anything anywhere. Even if you report, you don't report, what will it change? You cannot do. You don't need to start committing nuisance like them. Are you getting the point? Thank God the followers are increasing gradually. This is the account of COS. Okay, and there are the people reported this account, I believe, because the way they celebrated it simply means that the same thing they did to PM. There was one guy, I don't know where he come from. He was using his platform to preach that nonsense before, to report PM account. So Biafran decided to, nobody report his account anyway. We just go to his comment and was questioning him and all that. He stopped. But that does not mean that I'm here to tell you to report anybody's account, please. I don't think it's a wise thing to do. It is wicked, of course. And so but the only thing you need to do is to make sure that you follow. He said, Kai, it worked. It worked. The guy's X account was blocked today. Really? Do you know the guy I'm talking about? Look, I see it. This is for those of you that are looking for CS new account. Please, this is it. Just, you don't need to type Deputy Prime Minister, okay? For you to follow the original one, this is what you need to type. Not this, sorry. This is what you need to type. This one at Windstorm 111. That's 111. If you type this, you are going straight to the account. So this is the account. This is the right account. For some of you that are, their followers are just 1,601 at the moment. I believe you can see when she joined, just this month, February. I don't know the date. Maybe yesterday. Okay, maybe yesterday. You can see it here. So please go and follow her on X. Follow her on X. Very, very important. Because the mockery is somehow funny to me. It's somehow funny to me. And guess what? When we say that these people are DOS 2.0, we know what we are saying. Because people that have done this in the past are DOS members, looking for account to report, looking for who to report. Some of you don't know that they were trying to report Elias' account when Elias was cool-headed. Not now. Okay, Elias was running helter skelter about that, but that doesn't mean that his account now has been, deleted. No, the account is still intact, but he decided to, go away. I don't know why. Maybe because of the heat. But that's a story for another day. I don't know. I cannot beat my chest and say this is what happened to his account. So my people, we have come to an end of this live stream. We are gonna be here again. Actually, there's some videos that I need to react on, but I don't know if I will do that now or later. So thank you so much for your time. And before you go, like the video if you have not, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you share it if you can as well. God bless you all for being with me this hour. I keep exposing Nkere and Co. That reminds me, before I go, please wait. There are some people, this your comment now actually remind me of something that I said I will go through here. Okay. Okay, nice to hear that, my dear. Let me show you, let me read this out. Some of us, some people that want to, attack me, every of my video, I will see some people who claim they're Biafrans, they are following COS, they are this, they are that, trying to educate me on some things, which is very funny, very, very funny. Let me read some of these comments. Just a moment, I'm going there straight now. Let me, okay, this kind is you. This is somebody called Akanef or something like that. DS8MC said hi. He said hi Kai. I believe he want to say hi, but he said IN in Kai. I don't know what I mean by that. Your news is always playing the devil advocate, as it always comes from the enemy's camp. It's always come from the enemy's camp. As it always comes from the enemy camp, I will advise you to learn to be comprehensive before coming to deliver such a news. For instance, you would have waited until you read the IBB's book to know how to respond to FFK before coming out with this argument against the general understanding of IBB book. I told this our brother that called me here that he should go and watch that video. This is the video that this guy is talking about, and the title of the video says Biafrans, a Yoruba man, FFK, refused to accept IBB's submission on 1966 Q. Now, this our brother that made this comment, this is 10 hours ago. He's trying to tell me that I should, because I said that I don't have access to the book. I have not gone through the book. I said it in the video. That everybody, both Igbo and non-Igbos, are saying the same thing, that IBB have actually vindicated Igbo people, that this is what it is. This man jumped on my conversation saying that I should have just waited to read, I should have read the book first before reacting to what Femi said. Now, he forgot that he himself on conversation can also, because if he have read the book, or maybe he can put corrections, not only to me, to everybody. Because what Femi is trying to say, excuse me. Hello? Hello, brother. Just hold on. Don't drop the call. So what Femi was saying is like, Igbo people are, they are the one showing their ignorance and stupidity by quoting IBB books, IBB quotes wrongly. So please go and watch the video so you understand what happened there. But this guy is here trying to tell me. The other one also made a comment yesterday and said that that he will be watching me as if I'm under your company. Or I don't understand. Some people can do, because I don't want to drag anybody, or don't want to be that kind of violent person. You want to take advantage of it? No. If you put comment that is funny, I will reply you. If your comment is insulting, maybe you are trying to insult me, I will reply you with insult as well. That is me. Hello, my brother. Continue. Welcome.
Yeah. Nah, I say make I call you Ezekiel Son official.
Sorry? Keiku?
Do blogging as well. I said this girl, I do blogging as well.
Okay.
That is like network.
Okay.
So I deal with you. I always like to watch your program anyway.
Okay.
I don't miss your posts. I even always wait to see when your videos will drop.
Okay. Thank you.
So I deal with you. So I do blogging as well, even Facebook. Just my YouTube channel is not up to. I don't think it is up to 1 month or 2 months old. It is not up to 1 month old, but it is growing anyway.
There
is what I'm. Ezekiel Son official.
Kevin Emeda.
Oh, Biafran. Biafra can meet you.
Ezekiel and Sons.
Ezekiel Son official.
Ezekiel no. Okay, you know, I'm going to send them the name. He sent them the channel. Can't forget.
Okay. So there is my encourage to go to the camera because
all the get on a shop, okay. Maxim Media, you can please send it if you have it, please.
Okay, Okakai.
My brother.
Okay, I will send you the link after I drop the call. Okay. It's about this S. I have an account on X, but they suspended my account. I don't know why they suspended my account. And I have been looking for who will help me, give me as in direction on what to do in order for them to release the X account to me. And I tried to open another X account. Still yet, they were saying the same. I cannot follow. Even, in fact, the thing is not working.
Can suspend there?
It's a.
Can you suspend there?
Even if I'm not doing the reason, because I am not that punctual on X. But the day I decided, let me go and open and check the X, it happened that it has been suspended.
Did you open it with
Did you know anything?
Did you open it with your phone number?
Yes.
Get another phone number and open another one.
Okay, if I get another phone number, open another one. What of email?
You must use a different phone number and a different email to open a new one. You can't use the one they suspended to open another one. It's not possible. That phone number and keys, you can't use it again to open another account. You have to get a new phone number to open another one. Because one email attempt did that old SIM card, old phone number to open it. Okay, now the system the one that suspended before you pop out again, so they will not bring it back to you. So you only need a new phone number, not new phone number and a new phone number and a new email.
now that I need the X account, now that the thing put me into confusion, I don't know what to do.
No, if you can use a new phone number now and a new email, you open it with a different name. Don't use the same name you used before. If you can differentiate it by 1 or 2 or 3, something like that, or maybe 2025, but make sure that you change. Don't use old information to open new one. It's not. You can't. There's no way you can do a work on that.
Okay. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you very much.
Send them your YouTube. I forgot. King of Dominica. Okay. We first tell you.
My brother, what is in fact, I am aspire to be like you. I enjoy your program. You and the Kelena TV. Honestly, I always enjoy your programs.
My brother, thank you. You have call the letter. Bro, take care. Good evening, my brother. Thank you for standing up for us against the evil of Ogenkere. So, my people, thank you so much and have a wonderful night, morning, afternoon, depending on time zone. God bless you all. Please, if you have not liked the video, like it. If you're going to watch it later, click on that button, and God bless you all for joining me this later hour. I really appreciate it. Take care and God bless you. See you again. Bye bye for now.